External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj has assured in the upper house that the government is making serious efforts for Indian workers facing food crisis in Saudi Arabia. She said the government is also ready to bring back those workers who are willing to come back here.
In yet another humanitarian crisis arising in a Gulf country, over 10,000 Indian workers in Saudi Arabia are facing severe food shortage due to financial hardship after losing their jobs. India has ordered its mission in the Gulf nation to provide all possible assistance to the stranded citizens. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj assured in Rajya Sabha that the government is seized of the matter and is planning accordingly.
आज सदन के माध्यम से देश को कहना चाहती हूँ कि भारत का कोई भी श्रमिक यदि बाहर बेरोजगार है तो वो भूखा नहीं सोएगा। भारत सरकार इसकी जिम्मेदारी लेती है कि उसको खाना पहुंचाएगी, लेकिन केवल खाना पहुंचाने तक नहीं। अगर वो वहाँ बेरोजगार है और दूसरी जगह कोई काम नहीं मिल रहा, अगर दूसरी कंपनी में काम मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात। अगर काम नहीं मिल रहा है और वो स्वदेश लौटना चाहता है तो हम उसको सकुशल स्वदेश वापस लेकर आएंगे, ये भी मैं आपको आश्वासन देता हूं।
Swaraj appealed to over 30 lakh Indians in Saudi Arabia to help their fellow brothers and sisters, asserting that there is nothing mightier than the collective will of the Indian nation. Her initial response came following a tweet by a man who said around 800 Indians are starving for the last 3 days in Jeddah and sought her intervention. Thousands of workers are being provided food by the Indian consulate in Jeddah. 2,450 Indians are in financial difficulty after losing their jobs, as many companies have closed down in recent times. And once again, Minister of State for External Affairs V.K. Singh will spearhead the mission. He will leave for Saudi Arabia soon to assess the severity of the food crisis. India will then take a call for remedial measures, including possible return of stranded people. Large number of Indians have lost their jobs in Saudi Arabia in last few months due to economic slowdown triggered by low oil prices. Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.